Welcome back again to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Thank you so much guys for all your unending support, for watching always my videos, and of course for subscribing to my channel, and for also leaving nice comments. I really appreciate. And for those who are new, please subscribe to support. And in this video guys, I will show you how to prepare ground chicken, because even myself before, I don't know what the recipe I can do with the ground chicken. And I eat one time in one of the restaurants, and of course I figure out how to do, and now I'm gonna share it with you so you can also prepare for your family. And now I will show you the ingredients. To saute, of course, I am using the extra virgin olive oil, and the black pepper, salt to taste, and also guys, I will be putting also paprika. And then of course 1 kilogram of ground chicken. And I'm using also guys, to make it more healthy, I'm gonna put a okra or ladyfinger, 6 pieces cut into pieces. And of course onions, 1 medium cut into pieces, and 2 pieces of cut red chilies, and 1.5 freshly squeezed lemon juice, and also fresh basil, around 10 pieces. But if you like more of the ingredients guys, for example more spicy, you can add more chilies, and also more vegetables, you can add more ladyfinger, and more sour or less sour, you can always decrease or increase the quantity. And of course for the salt, up to your taste. And now let's start the cooking. First, olive oil, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then onions. Now let's put the ground chicken. Okay, now let's mix it, and let's make it small pieces. Okay, now we can put the lady fingers. And the chilies. Pepper, paprika, and salt. And the lemon juice. And let's cook for 3 minutes, and it's done. Okay, now let's check. Alright, the vegetables is cooked. To finish it up, of course, no need fire. We'll just sprinkle the fresh basil. Then let's mix it, and then it's finished. Nice smell. I can feel the smell of the basil. Alright guys, so this is our ground chicken. Very healthy because it's chicken is rich in protein, and then of course the ladyfinger or the okra is really good vegetables, and of course with the fresh basil and fresh lemon juice, so it's really good. And hope you like this one guys, and of course you can try in your kitchen and let me know how it goes. And if you have any question or any suggestion, just comment down below and I will try to be responsive as I can. Alright guys, so another successful healthy recipe. And please don't forget to give a like, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any videos like healthy recipes, some helpful tips, and also some baby foods. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!